All right, guys. Today we have a Ford Explorer, and the brake pedal goes all the way down. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some gloves and we're gonna open this up. And first, we're gonna check if this has fluid in it. All right, guys. So I got me a little towel, and this thing is low on fluid. It has fluid in it, but it's a little low. All right, so what you're gonna do is put some fluid in this and then just even that out. And let me show you what's going on with the truck. I know the problem, but I'm just showing you a procedure. If your pedal goes all the way down, what to do. So that's the brake pedal right there. So if you start up the car, the pedal slowly travels down. It goes all the way down. You see that? All right, and I want to show you one more thing. Let me get out of the truck now. So I'm out of the car. Just want to let you know, before you make any movement, you know, a lot of times people will just say, a lot of mechanics, okay, you have a bad master cylinder. That's what happened here. He told me the pedal goes down, and sometimes the pedal just goes down by itself and the car doesn't want to stop. All right, so that's a known problem, bad master cylinder. But before you make any judgments, just look around for any leakages. Just want to show you something. You see that right there? There's fluid all over that tire right there. That's brake fluids. You know, I just started the car up and we pumped it, and look, fluid started to come out. All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take that tire off and we'll look at it. All right, guys, I removed that tire, and let me show you the problem here. The problem is, you see this mechanism right here? You see that brake line right there? The brake line is overlapping that little metal piece, and that metal piece cut the flexible brake line. The problem here is, right now we have a busted brake line. All right, that brake line is busted from right there. All right, why did that brake line bust open from there? The reason is this cable here, emergency cable, it does not belong where it's at. That thing belongs over here somewhere. All right, it's supposed to be in here. But so he doesn't have emergency brake either. I give him a call. It's his choice what he wants to do, you know. A lot of people comment on my channel, oh, now that if you don't do the work, I'm definitely sure this guy's gonna decline, you know, to repair that line right there, the emergency cable right there. So it is what it is. But I'm gonna call him up for both things. Gonna give him estimate for both of these, and I don't think he has any option with either one, but still it's his choice. And I'll just update you guys. I don't like to make videos on doing any fluid work because it gets messy on the camera, and that brake fluid eats up everything that it touches. All right, so to do this job, so this is not a bad master cylinder. We're gonna replace this line from here, and it runs all the way down there. And then this emergency cable here, it runs this way. It's hitting the cables there. That belongs in here. Let's see what we're gonna do here, and what can we do here. All right. All right, guys, I'm back, and I spoke to the customer. Like I said, he was probably gonna decline some of the work, so I'll just make a good receipt for him. It's his choice, you know. If he doesn't accept the work, if he doesn't okay the work order, we cannot do much. So this cable here, he does not want to pay for that, but I am gonna repair this cable, the brake line, the fluid hydraulic line. We're gonna replace that, and like I said, I'm not gonna be making a video on it. So this simple job, this cable you can remove from there, and back here, it comes all the way back here. All right, and just put in a new line, and then make sure you bleed the brakes afterward and top off the fluid. And make sure the pedal is not spongy. Test it. Don't just give the car away right away. And thank you for watching my video, guys, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.